Welcome back to Get Rebel Life TV. Today we are exploring one of the most mysterious and powerful ways your Orisha communicate through dreams and visions. Have you ever woken up feeling like a dream carried a special message, or wondered if those vivid images were more than just your imagination? Your dreams are a direct line to the spiritual realm, and they hold the keys to discovering which Orisha is guiding you. Let's dive into how dreams and vision can reveal your divine protector. Dreams are a sacred channel between the physical and spiritual worlds. In many traditions, including Yoruba spirituality, dreams are considered messages from the divine. When your mind is relaxed and free from daily distractions, your spiritual guides, your Orishas, can communicate more clearly. Dreams are like messages or puzzles sent from the divine, meant for you to interpret. They often contain symbols, colors, and scenarios that are loaded with meaning. Recognizing these signs is key to understanding which Orisha is trying to connect with you. Common dream symbols of Orishas. Different Orisha often appear in dreams with specific symbols or settings. Yemoja or Olokun. You might dream of the ocean, waves, or seashells. She could appear as a nurturing mother figure standing by the water. Oshun. Dreams may include rivers. You might see yourself adorned in yellow or gold, or surrounded by beauty and love. Shango. Thunderstorms, fire, or axes often appear in dreams of Shango. You might see yourself wielding a staff or standing in a stormy sky. Ogun. Dreams may feature blacksmith tools, swords, or iron objects. You might see yourself working with metal or building something strong. Pay attention to these symbols, colors, or scenes that recur in your dreams. They are clues pointing toward your Orisha. How to interpret dreams with your Orisha. Keep a dream journal. Write down your dreams immediately upon waking. Detail everything, the symbols, colors, feelings, and scenarios. Over time, patterns will emerge that point to specific Orishas. Looking for recurring themes. Do you keep dreaming of water, fire, or tools? Are certain colors like yellow, red, or blue appearing repeatedly? These are signs from your spiritual guide. Trust your feelings. How did the dream make you feel? Calm, sacred, or inspired? Your emotional response is very vital. A peaceful feeling might indicate a positive connection, while fear could signal a warning or a need for protection. Learn the symbols. Study the symbols associated with each Orisha. Recognizing these in your dreams will help you decode their messages. Seek guidance if needed. If you are unsure, consult with an experienced spiritual guide or a diviner. They can help you interpret your dreams accurately and deepen your connection. Practical tips for dream recall. Before sleeping, set an intention. Ask your Orisha to communicate with you through dreams. Keep a notebook or a voice recorder nearby to capture your dreams as soon as you wake up. Practice relaxation. Practice relaxation techniques, meditation, or prayer before sleep to enhance dream clarity. Remember, your dreams are a sacred language, rich with divine messages waiting for you to decode. The more you pay attention, the clearer the signs become. Your Orisha is trying to reach you in your sleep, guiding you toward your spiritual truth. Stay patient, open minded, and respectful of the process. With time and practice, you will begin to recognize the messages that lead you closer to your divine protector. If you have had meaningful dreams or vision related to your Orisha, share your story in the comment section below so that others can learn from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more insight on developing your spiritual connection. Thank you for watching. Remember, the divine speaks in many ways. Dreams are just one of the beautiful messages waiting for you. Thank you and bye for now.